Visual Studio Code is a streamlined code editor with support for development operations like debugging, task running, and version control. We'll use it for the APK Lab extension. APK Lab is Android Reverse Engineering Workbench. Now, I'll install it and use it on my host machine, but I also want to show you how to install it on Kali for those who want to use it on Kali. All right? So let's get started. Open up a web browser and search for VS Code Download. And click on the official website of VS Code. So as you can see, you can install it on all platforms, and installation is very easy. But first up, I'm going to download it from Mac OS. Save the file, okay. Let's click on the zip file. Drag it to the Applications folder. Now let's open VS Code. So from the Extensions section, you can search for APK Lab. As you can see, there are lots of features, and it's very useful for reverse engineering and APK because it's got lots of built-in tools which are very important for testing, such as APK tool, JADX, zip-align, all sorts of things, and it performs all the steps automatically with these tools, which also is pretty good. So we'll need to open the command palette with Control-Shift-P to use it. Click on the Install button. Okay, let's download an APK file and try to decompile it. So one of the vulnerable apps we'll use throughout the course is Insecure Bank. It's an application for Android, so let's download it and download the APK file. Okay, let's go back to VS Code and press Control-Shift-P to open the command palette. Click on APK Lab and add the APK file. Select Decompile Java option and OK. All right, so it opens in a new window. As you can see, this is the source code of the app. So we'll analyze it in detail while we're testing it. So let's download VS Code to Kali this time. So we'll open up a web browser, search for VS Code, and click to the official website. And here you're going to have to scroll down a bit, and you can see the features of VS Code in detail. It's really a very powerful and very useful code editor. But we're going to use it for the APK Lab extension. And like I said earlier, APK Lab is Android Reverse Engineering Workbench. So we'll click on Download. And of course, you can install it on all platforms, and installation is, again, very easy. So let's click on this button to download the Debian package. Save the file, okay. Now you've got to open a terminal screen. Change directory to the Downloads folder. List file. Okay, it's here. Now to install it, just run sudo apt install. Add the deb package. All right, so that's completed. Now let's open it up from the menu. From the Extensions section, you can search for APK Lab. Now, as you can see here, there are lots of features. And again, it's very useful for reverse engineering and APK because it's got all kinds of built-in tools, which are very important. And we're going to use some of them, such as APK tool, JADX, zip-align, and we're going to perform all of these steps using these tools, and you'll see how useful automatic tools can be. And Click on the Install button. So just press Ctrl-Shift-P and it opens the command palette. Click on APK Lab and add the APK file. Select Decompile Java as your option and click OK. All right, so it opens up in a new window and you're looking at the source code of the app. And you don't need to read it all now. We'll analyze it in detail while we're testing.